Marble Queen pothos. This is one of the best indoor plants. So this is in my living room, and I really do love this plant because I propagated it with a single leaf and now it's growing very well in the water. Pothos is one of the easiest low maintenance plant to grow from cuttings, and when you are planning to grow it with a cutting, you will have to do it with a simple root, and the leaf should have a simple root in it, and it is possible to propagate in water or soil. So if you are a busy person and a lazy person to do many gardening work and do hard work with the soil, so you can simply grow them in water. And also you can use it as a decorative piece to your living room. Keep it wherever you get some little sunlight, either near a windowsill is recommended, so that this plant will actually grow well. So the other thing is bright sunlight is not necessary for these leaves, and even if you didn't have time to water them, and if you really forget it, there will be no issues. But if you really do love to see the foliage beautifully clean and all, give them a small spray in the morning and that is enough. So I just thought of doing this short video about Marble Queen pothos. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.